This tutorial, part 2 of a 2-part series, will walk you through creating an online course in Foundation LMS. In this video we will cover the course builder page. Navigate to online courses by clicking courses, then online. Navigate to your course and click the builder icon. The URL for your course can be found here beneath the course title. You can share this link with your students when your course is ready to go. Under Curriculum, click Add New. There are 3 options: Module, Activity, and Game. A module is used to demonstrate educational content such as text, video, and audio. An activity is a question or set of questions that can be used to test student knowledge and heighten engagement. Finally, game options include matching, card flipping, grouping, and escape room. We're going to select Module to add a course module. Create your course module and then click Save. Check out our tutorial on how to add a course module for more details. Under Curriculum, click Add New and select Activity to add a course activity. Add your activity question and then click Save. Check out our tutorial on how to add a course activity for more details. Once you have saved all your activity questions, scroll to the top and click Back to Course. Under Curriculum, click Add New and select Game to add a course game. Here you create a matching, card flipping, or grouping game. Then click Save. Check out our tutorials on how to add games for more details. Students will move through the course curriculum in the order displayed here. You can drag and drop your curriculum items to change the sequence. Be sure to click Save to save the new curriculum sequence. Under Quiz, click Add New to add a course quiz. If you do not see a quiz option here, ensure that the pre-test and/or post-test are enabled in the requirements section. Once you have added all your quiz questions, click Save and Close. Check out our tutorial on how to add a course quiz for more details. Set the passing percentage and retake limit for the post-test. Then click Save. Under Survey, click Add New to add a course survey, which can include multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, and rating scales. If you do not see a survey option here, ensure that the evaluation survey is enabled in the requirements section. Add your survey question and then click Save and Add New to add more questions, or click Save to save the current question and return to the course builder. Check out our tutorial on how to add a course survey for more details. Under Certificate, click Add New to assign certificates to your course. Certificates are created in the Certificate Builder, and can be configured to automatically generate the student's name, course title, and date. Check out our tutorial on the Certificate Builder. You can use the search field to filter the list of certificates. You can select multiple certificates, if, for example, you're providing multiple accreditation types which require specific certificate language. Click anywhere on the certificate to select it. Selected certificates are indicated by a blue checkmark icon in the top left corner. Then click Save to apply the selected certificates to your course. A link to the follow-up survey is automatically emailed to students after they have completed the course if this feature is enabled in the requirements section. The number of days after which the survey is sent is configured in the follow-up email template. At that time, the follow-up survey will become accessible to students when they view the course from My Courses. Click Add New to add a follow-up survey. Add questions to your follow-up survey. You can add multiple choice, open-ended, and rating scale question types. Click Save and Add New to add additional questions, or click Save to return to the course builder. Check out our tutorial on how to add a course follow-up survey for more details. Click Add New to configure the follow-up email template. This option is only available if the follow-up survey is enabled in the requirements section. Use this feature to configure the email that will be sent to students automatically, a set number of days after they complete the course. Once finished, click Save to return to the course builder. Check out our tutorial on how to configure a course follow-up email template for more details. Now that the follow-up email template has been created, you can send a test email to preview what students will receive in their inbox. Enter the email addresses to which you would like to send the test message. Then click Send Test Email. You can make changes to your follow-up email template by clicking the pencil icon. Use the Course Files Upload button to upload additional course materials for your students as needed. Students will be able to download these files from within the course. Note the progress bar at the top indicates that we have added all the course components. Now we'll explore the other features and settings in the course builder. Click Actions to reveal a list of options. From here, you can set the course status to active, inactive, or archive. You can also preview the course as a student, to verify that everything appears as expected before making the course accessible to students. Active courses are accessible to students and are available on course reports. Inactive courses are not accessible to students, but they are still available on course reports. Archived courses are not accessible to students and are not available on course reports. To manually enroll students to the course, click the plus button above the course progress bar. Choose Add New Student to create a new student account, or Add Existing Student to select from a list of existing students. Check out our tutorial on how to add a new student for more details. Click the pencil icon on Categories to edit course categories. Students can filter the course list by categories on your portal homepage. Enter your desired course category and hit the Tab or Enter key. Repeat this step for all the categories you'd like to add, then click the Update button. Click the pencil icon to set the course points. Course points are linked to the Foundation LMS gamification system, awarding students points for course completion, achievements, and leaderboard rankings. Set the course points value and then click Update. Toggle the Pretest, Post-Test, Evaluation, Survey, and Follow-up Survey buttons to enable or disable them in the Requirements section. Finally, reorder faculty members in the Faculty settings, to change the order in which they appear on the course landing page. Simply click anywhere in the faculty and drag to your preferred location. The changes will be saved automatically. Thank you for watching our tutorial on editing a course using the Course Builder in Foundation LMS.